what you've done to me. But it's caused me to act in such a crazy way. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you do, it's a feeling that I want to stay. As my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind, I can't figure out just what to do, and the cause and cure is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me in a daze that is so amazing. It's not a phase. I want you to stay with me by my side. I swallow